How to fix mobile data not working on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, restart your iPhone. Power off your iPhone by tapping on the volume down button and the power button simultaneously. Then wait for 30 seconds and turn it back on. This can help resolve any temporary connectivity issues. Once restarted, simply open the Settings app on your mobile device. Now, once you are inside the Settings app, you can see the airplane mode option available at the top. You can also use the control center by dragging down the control center by top right corner of your screen. But simply toggle on the airplane mode and wait for 10 seconds, then tap it again to turn it off. This refreshes your network connections. Now, simply tap on the cellular and ensure that your cellular data is turned on. Sometimes people usually forget that they have not turned on their cellular data, so make sure to turn that on. After you turn that on, tap on the cellular data options and go to the voice and data and make sure that it is at the 5G. Now once done so, go back to the settings and scroll down and tap on the general option available there. Once inside the general, you will get to see options like software update. Simply tap on it. If there is an available iOS update, then install it to ensure your phone has the latest fixes, because the new software update fixes the bug issues. Now once done so, go back and scroll down and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on the reset, then tap on reset network settings. So that is it. After all this method, if your mobile data still is not working, then there may be an issue with your carrier settings or mobile data plan. Call your carrier to ensure there are no outages or restrictions. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.